All right, guys, check it. What's up? We got the Sunseeker Orion X7. Ours is named Blade. See? Hi, I'm Blade. And we are going to do a blade replacement video. Lawn's looking good already, but haven't put blades on yet for this season. So question becomes, how do we do so? I was looking online, didn't see any good blade replacement videos for the Sunseeker. Figured I would do one. Here we go. Okay, we're back. I've got the unit up here, and I've got my trusty Sunseeker bag and book to make notes. What do I do? How do I do it? Here's our blade replacement kit. Here's our blades themselves. And it looks like it's just going to be a matter of taking these guys out. Let's see what we can do. All right, check it. We're going to see how easily these come off. Not too bad. Wow. Yeah, so look at that. And there's the screw. And it looks like in the new kit here, we got new screws, new blades. So we're going to just try to get rid of all of these. There we go. See if number 2 comes off. Pretty easy stuff. All right, we'll get all 6 of these off, and we'll get the new ones on. All right, we've got all 6 blades off. Makes me want to get in here and kind of power wash this thing, but that's not the point of this video. We're going to get the new blades on. Got our Sunseeker blade and screw kit. There's our new blade, guys. Look at that compared to what we took off. And I got this unit last year in August. This year, I'm filming this in April of the following year. Ow. So we're looking at a bit of use. So there you go. You got to change these blades pretty frequently. I think I did a poor job last year. I probably should have changed them once a month. Looking at this, because I run this machine a lot. Let's get these new ones on. All right, new blades are installed. Let's give that a look. And wow, does that make a difference, guys, compared to that where we came from? Not that you need to see me tightening these, but let's see. I wanted to see if there was any best practice. Whoa, okay, so there's best practice is we're going to pause this and put some gloves on. And I think the best practice is going to be to hand tighten them. So there we go. All right, let's try that again and try not to slice our finger off. So I'm going to use the drill to loosen this a little bit. There we go. Now that I've got it where I want it, hold it down, hand cranker. Much better, much better. Okay, so I think that's going to be the way to not slice our fingers open. And if you are careful with the automatic drill, you could probably get them all the way down and then just finish them by hand. That's probably how I'll do the rest of these. I at least wanted to get a couple in here. See how tight these things are supposed to be. Okay. So that's it, guys. Sunseeker Orion X7 blade replacement. We are a big fan of this unit. Complete life changer. As you've seen from some of our other videos, I was doing everything manually by hand until last year, and then went down the rabbit hole of automatic lawnmowers and never came out. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up or ask them in the comments. And that's it. We're going to have this guy tightened up and ready to get back out there in no time. Here's one problem. Well, maybe this can become a troubleshooting video. This guy is not tightening down, and this blade is not staying in place. All right, so we're going to work on this, figure out what the issue is. Is it a screw issue? Is it a blade issue? Pause and we'll come back. All right, so it's the Sunseeker blade replacement / troubleshooting video. I've got 5 of the 6 new blades in, but this guy here does not want to stick. He was at first. I've tried different screws and different blades, and it just seems to be... Oh, here we go. Is this the issue? Okay, so I think the issue here, guys, is the screw needs to be... No, that's not the issue. I was thinking maybe the screw needed to be pressing down onto the blade. So I don't know if this is a stripped hole or what, but this guy does not want to be staying taut on here. We're going to give it one more try. Maybe one more screw. I've tried multiple blades and multiple screws at this point. Here we go. I'm not sure what the issue is here. It fits on there nice. It just does not want to sit in there. Try one more screw. I'll send this to somebody from Sunseeker. Maybe you guys can let me know what I'm doing wrong here, why this thing doesn't want to sit properly. It seemed like it did at one point. It was, and then I think I gave it one too many twists. I'm not sure. Cranking her down by hand. Yeah, she's still... All right, so I'm gonna let it go. So right now it is in there tight. It's not very tight, but last time I did this, I gave it one too many. I gave one more crank, and then it wouldn't stick again. So I'm gonna consider this one in, and that's it. Our blades are replaced. We've got 6 brand new blades on there to go cut, and here's our old ones we'll be getting rid of. And that's it. Let's get her back on the dock and send her out for a mow. Got our zone selected, and here we go. See you, Blade. Have a good cut. And he's off. Thanks for watching.